amazing. Yeah.
Yo, what's the deal?
About to text you good? Cause
man, that traffic's so nasty over there.
3 wrecks popped up on the GPS.
For real?
Going back, one right here, one right there, like a couple miles that way. I hope we're good, y'all.
Sent it. I got it. Alright. Y'all see how this nigga rolled the window up and left me hanging? For sure. Oh, you got some shit. Yeah, what's the word?
How you doing, man?
Straight. I'm lit, bro. My home.
Oh, nah, you good, brother.
You got them hoes dirty already?
Huh?
You got these hoes dirty already?
Man, bro, I wore them hoes once. And them hoes got dirty in the I was like, bro, why the fuck they be doing that?
That's that weak ass new book.
Oh, and but the fucking question, I don't know if you can fix this shit or anything. This fucking off-white tag, that hoe tight in a bitch. Y'all can never loosen that bitch up. When I bought her from Goat, whoever, that nigga had that hoe tight.
I'ma see. I don't know. I'ma see though.
If you can, I ain't tripping.
Alright. Yeah, that's gonna be tough.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
Hey, that's 50, brother.
It's hot as a motherfucker out here. Alright, bro.
Just let me know.
For sure.
And when you clean them hoes won't fade again, huh? It probably will.
If it do, I'll just read-down. What's good? Wait like at least 48 hours before you put them on, and shit, you should be straight. As long as you ain't gonna go hooping them hoes.
Oh, yeah, I'm just gonna wear these hoes every once in a while.
And let me know if they come apart. Let me know. We don't wear the same size, so I couldn't just wear test your shit. So.
Well, what type of glue you use?
It's like a rubber glue. Yeah. You can't use regular glue or what's that shit? Gorilla glue. You can't use none of that. Super glue, none of that. Cause you gotta be able to bend them, and that's how you keep your shit from falling apart. So once it cure a little longer, you should be good. But cause I got a problem with these too sometimes. Right. If they do come off or come apart a little bit, just let me know. Just bring them back.
Yeah, for sure.
Other than that, you should be straight.
Appreciate it, bro. I might be hitting you up because you do ones too?
I do everything.
You take the laces off,
the sole?
Yeah, like the stitching on the bottom. You can take that.
What you trying to do?
Yeah, like we got the Ola New Loves, but they kind of separate. And I think you have to take all the stitching off the midsole before you re-glue them and shit like that.
It depends. Just send me a video of it.
Oh, right.
Yeah, just send me a video.
Yeah, it's the mid-top ones from 06.
The yellow ones or the green ones?
The black and yellow and then
the green and black.
Red.
Oh, right and red. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, just send a video. Y'all niggas twins?
Yeah.
Oh.
Really?
Just letting you know.
Sure.
Got to get my content shit up.
Got to. I'll let your boy. Real.
For sure.
Get you right.
For sure.
Appreciate you, bro.
All right, bro.
All right.
Hit me when you got something else, bro.
Oh, for sure. No, I got you.
All right.
What's up, brother?
What's the deal?
Man, dog, what's going on, man? I appreciate you, bro.
Already.
Man, fucking Nike, dog. I got these and the aquas. And the aquas in the back, the paint, the glue. It kind of got on the rinse and shit. I kind of scraped it off real bad.
This the one. Yours was the ones with the
Yeah.
One was faded and one wasn't.
Yeah. Well, one the toe cap is a lot darker than the other. But that red is just really light, bro.
Yes, everybody been. Damn, they fucked over you, bro.
Yeah.
Everybody been complaining about these, bro.
My wife, cause I wore them like 2 weeks ago. My wife was like, man, you need to take them to that guy. I said, man, I said, yeah, I want to, bro. I literally wore them one time, and I could just tell in that light, and especially when in the light, they look so faded.
Yeah, they gonna be a deep red though after I dye them.
Nah, I seen the video.
Okay, all right.
I seen the video though.
All right, bro, I got you.
I appreciate you. How long did it take you on my message?
Probably like a week.
I appreciate you.
All right, bro, hit me. Send a deposit. Just send half.
Okay. 40?
Yeah.
40? Okay. I got you.
All right. I'll shoot you my number and shit. All right.
Now you good. I ain't waiting. The laws ain't worrying about me.
Take these whole ass shoes, nigga. I ain't finna carry your shit.
These ain't mine though. These some big motherfuckers.
These hoes don't look no different either, bro. I ain't gonna lie
For
to
real?
you. These hoes ain't do too much of
Ain't do
nothing.
nothing.
Nothing, bro. Your shit already was tapped. I got most of that shit off the bottom. I
Man,
don't
they
know what
look
you got in
better
your
than what
box.
they was.
You got shit in your box and shit.
Man, they look
Both
better
of
than
these
what
hoes.
they was, man.
How you can tell? Pull that shit out.
Whoa.
No homo.
This
God
is
dang.
crazy.
Fuck. It's the same, bro. Literally the same, bro.
Nah, I can tell. Only reason why I can tell, look, bro, none of this was ever like, this one like 72 and 10 white. You know how the bottom of them was white? This was never that. This always had like a glow tint. Now this for sure done changed. Cause this shit ain't used to be that white. I can tell. Like,
Oh,
them hoes
see,
done
it's
got
your
changed.
shit, so that's probably why you know.
Yeah, I know.
But I'm looking at them hoes, I'm like, bro, this nigga shit ain't changed, bro. I didn't even make a video of them hoes. I was just like, I'm like, man, hold on.
Now I got it.
Hold on, I'll carry this shit.
Yeah, you
Nigga,
that
nigga, I just mobbed all the way over here. I'm
Why
thinking you
way
closer.
over there? You said
I'm on the other
I'm
side.
8 feet. Nah, why you should stay right there. I can carry it up.
My bad, brother. I got a bunch. I had to get rid of these ones.
Bro, you good, you good.
Check it, bro.
Check that shit before we leave, bro. In case you don't like something.
Nah, man. I know you doing good work. Shit.
I don't know what that shit was about.
Huh?
I watched so many videos. I'm trying to get that shit loose, bro. That shit was not going.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I'm just dropping these off to my
Like, niggas are kids.
These hoes hot. I thought that hoe would have melted.
I don't worry, but
Yeah, bro, I think I drunk out of this one, so just, no, I'm bullshitting.
What's up, bro?
What's the deal, dog?
Shit, man. Damn, that's a dope ass jacket. You mind if I see him real quick?
Yeah. I wanted you to look at them.
Okay, cool.
Make sure everything's straight.
Hell yeah. Rainy ass day, man. Fucked up my whole day.
Bro, tell me about it.
Man, the red is they
That's how it's supposed to, that's what I'm telling you, that's how it's supposed to be.
Supposed to come, man.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, fucking dancing.
Yeah, got your shit back dancing. Yes, sir.
Yes, man. Man, you don't know how long them hoes been in the closet, man. I'm just thinking about it, man. I can't wear them.
That's why I didn't get them. Because they...
And that 2014, man, I don't know where else to get them. I just started getting my kicks in probably like
I knew
2
one
years
day
ago.
I'd get look up, now young nigga had it. Cocaine with stress, no need to fashion. Rolex watch, my Cartier, my glass. I do this for the young and it used to laugh at. Yeah, I had a dream that I'd be major.